Hello everyone, Monica here with a new video. I hope you're doing well. Thank you all so much for coming to my channel. For those of you that have been here before and that are subscribed, thank you so much for coming back and for subscribing. For those of you that maybe you're returning or this is your first time and you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. Yes, so I just kind of wanted to talk to you guys about this whole Labubu PopMart craze. And yeah, a couple of videos ago, or maybe it was a couple of shorts ago, I posted that I was resisting at first, and then eventually I was like, okay. So I came across the Coca-Cola Labubus, and that's how they got me. I love Coca-Cola, so I had to get them. And what I wanted to bring here is Labubu unboxing. I'm gonna show you in a second. I got the whole box of 6 pieces and I'm gonna open them here with you. I also have a couple of Coach items that I wanna show you guys and get your take on it. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna do one Skullpanda first because she happens to be my bag of the day. So my bag of the day is the Coach quilted tabby in the denim in the color Ivy. I just recently showed you guys this. I got this for my birthday and I'm obsessed with it. Patrick gifted it to me. I have all my stuff in it, and I did talk about the card case that I got for myself, so I'm using it in here and to have my items, my go-to items in here. I got it in the PopMart, what do you call it, in the app, and I just kind of picked one, and I think they're all cute, so I figure I can't go wrong with any of them that I get. I got this one, which is really adorable. When I first got her, I was like, but now she's like really grown on me. And then when I was gifted this bag for my birthday, I was just like, I had the perfect bag for her. So she is been hanging out with this bag, and it matches perfectly because the hardware on this one is silver, and she's got her little I don't know, it's like a little, like a scarf wrapped around, like a blanket almost. And yeah, she's got her cute little earmuff. She's got a little silver thing on the top, so I think she goes great with this bag. And I'm using this with the original tag that it came with, and I had this one from a long time ago. This is probably 10 years old, and I've had this tag made a long time ago, and it's got my daughter's names, initials on it. So that is my first Skullpanda. How cute is she? And I think her name is Snow Song or Song Snow. Anyways, I'm gonna insert it in here. Labubus, I ended up getting the 2 Coca-Cola ones. They both came from the PopMart site, and I ended up getting the Coke bottle and the Coke can. I got them this close in, I forget what I got them. I don't know if it was Amazon or eBay. But I got the cute little Prada outfit. I got both. They came together from the same seller. The pink one also comes with the little overalls, but it's difficult on the Labubus that have the Cokes. Even this one, it was a little bit difficult to put this outfit on her. So this one, you pretty much can't really put any outfit on her unless you're just doing like shoes, maybe just a bottom skirt. I can see a skirt, but you can't put on her like overalls or like a top. It's not really gonna fit because of the Coke can. So she is wearing the pink Prada hat, and she is been hanging out in my large Chanel canvas tote. This one right here, she's been jumping around from bag to bag. So yeah, she's been kind of, I think she's a little bit more versatile. She'll definitely go with any of my black bags. So yeah, so she's kind of been going all over the place. I believe her name is Ode to Coco, and she is so fussy and so cute. Her hardware, it's like a light gold color, and she's got her little red hair. She's got her earmuffs. This top here is like fussy and brown, and she's also wearing like a little wrap or like a little scarf. And the scarf, if you turn it, it's got like this kind of like shoelace crisscross, and it's got these little pom-poms in the end. She's really cute, and those are the bottom of her feet. It's adorable. I really like her because her name is Ode to Coco, as in cocoa as in the drink, like in hot cocoa. But I had a dog, a miniature dog, so her name was Coco. So it just kind of reminds me of that. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you. I have a, and I'm gonna insert a clip here. I have what I call a all year round Halloween Christmas tree. It's this tall, skinny black tree that I have in my family room, and it stays up all year round, and it has Halloween ornaments on it. So when I came across this in PopMart, I was like, that would look great on my all year round Halloween Christmas tree. So these are called, this is the box right here. They are called the Monsters Classic Series, and they are Labubus. And they're like little ornaments. So, but they're also plush. They're also plushy. So I bought the box of 6. I believe there's 6 in here. And I got this, 6 designs, and I got this at the also at the PopMart app on my phone. And yeah, so that is what it looks like. Just all the way around. Here are the different, this is what they look like. And as you can see, sorry about the glare, but as you can see, they're like a little dangling charm, and it's almost like a little face. I don't know how big they are because I haven't opened them, but they're technically like an ornament. And I mean, you can use them as a charm in your bags or whatever, but for my purposes, I'm gonna hang these on my Halloween Christmas tree. That is Thai Coco. It's like the little skull, and you all know I'm obsessed with skulls. So I would love to get him, but if I don't get him, I'm not gonna be upset. I think there's a way to open these boxes, but I normally just in the single boxes, I just rip into them. This has a little seal here, so I'm gonna cut that open. And there are the 6 boxes. Okay, so which one do you all think I should go for first? I kind of want to start like in the middle, so I'm gonna start middle back. Let's see what we get. So that's what they look like. Wait, do they all have the same face? They all have the same face, so the face doesn't tell me what I'm gonna get. That is what they look like right there. Anyways, you open the boxes the same way you open the bigger ones. It's got the little hole right here. See, this is the part like I never know how to open it. And it's got the same little bag inside. It just says PopMart on both sides. The sun just came out, so that's good. Okay, what do we have? We have the snowman. We have the little snowman. And all the individual boxes have the little authentication thing in the back. And does it come with a card? Yes, it does. His name is Spooky. He's the little snowman. He looks a little bit angry, but he's so cute. I love his little hat. What do y'all think? I kind of touched this one before. I'm kind of going for the middle. I'm doing the middle, okay? They also, my understanding is that if you get the box, you won't get the same one twice. So that's the little gremlin guy. And his name is People. And again, all of them are a little star and they're plushies. Let's go to the third one. So I had kind of pulled this one before. So we're gonna look at this in the corner. Oh, this one opened up easy. That's the way I think they should open. Oh, there he is. That is Labubu himself. Look at him. He's got his little Santa Claus hat. How cute is he? He is on a yellow star. That is so cute. Look at him. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so I'm doing like a crisscross, so I'm gonna go down here. See what we get. They are kind of cute, I gotta admit. They are kind of cute. So this one opened up easy too, so that's good. Oh, this one is lavender. Oh, cute. Ooh, who are you? This is Yaya. This is Yaya. She is, let's see if I can show you the little thing. You might be able to see this better. Is she like a little devil? Yeah, she's got little horns. She's got little horns. I mean, they're cute little monsters. They're adorable. I love it. They moved around on me, so I'm just gonna grab this one. I got him, Taikuku. I wanted him so bad because he's a skull and I love skulls. He's a little reindeer skull. He's wearing like a reindeer little, there he is, like a little teeth, and he's a little skull and he's got his little reindeer outfit and he's so cute. Okay, one more to go. So we're missing Pato. Let's see what we got. Pato or a secret? Let's see. We got Pato. That is Pato. He is the pink one. Oh my goodness, he is so adorable. What is Pato? I want to know what he is. He almost looks like a little bear. Look at him. He's so cute. Look at his little hat. It's like a Christmas tree. Oh, guys, I just said on one of my recent videos that I don't have any lavender or lilac handbags or pouches or totes or anything. Look at this. We're gonna have to find him a home. Okay, we're gonna have to find him a home. But stop, rewind. They're not meant for my purses. That's not how I want to use them. I want to put them on my Halloween Christmas tree, and I'm gonna show you a clip of that. So those are all my, what are they called? The Monsters Classic series. That's what they're called. So I got the whole box and I got every single one of them. I didn't get the secret. That's okay. I really wanted Taikuku and I got Taikuku. I didn't know he was gonna be that adorable. He is adorable. Of course, Labubu is like a classic, right? And then the snowman, Spooky, he is so cute. Talk about him. So I hope you enjoy that. I had fun opening. It's It's like opening a Christmas present. You don't know what you're gonna get. It's like the surprise behind it. I get the hype. I get it. I don't know how long the hype is gonna last for, but I've always been, my whole life, I've been into like figurines and dangling things and Snoopy and Hello Kitty and My Melody and anime in general. So this works for me. It works. Okay, so I have 2 items from Coach that I want to show you. This one item I got from dealer. But it came in this little dealer's box, and this is what I got. I got the kitty cat charm. Now, I had to get him because I have a kitty cat, and I love my kitty cat. And yeah, so he's really cute, and he's got little pave crystals for eyes, and he's got the Coach little tag, and he is like solid metal. He's got the Coach there on the back and solid metal. And the only thing about him, though, I'll tell you guys, he is on the heavy side. He is probably, for this size of charm, he's probably like one of the heaviest, I gotta say, but equally adorable. Look at the whiskers. How cute is he? Yeah. So I love him, and I just had to add him to my collection. Last item that I have to show you, it's another item from Coach, and I got this from the outlet website, and it's this chain with the 2 lobster clasps to decorate your handbags with. You kind of put it in the front, or you can probably use it as an extender. For like one of your bags that maybe has a shorter strap, like shoulder strap. We have the Coach tag, we have cherries, we have a star, a heart, the C, and over here you have the tea rose right there. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying this on some of my purses and see what it looks like. But I like the fact that it's just one color. It's just everything is gold. And it's not like a shiny gold. It's somewhat muted, so I like that. This one retailed for $95. And the cat charm also retails for $95. This one came from the outlet website. And I have one like this in silver with little color charms, but I don't have one in gold. So yeah, so that's what I have for you guys today. That's what I wanted to show you. Do you have any of the Labubus? Have you come across the Monster series ornaments? And do you have any Skullpandas? Do you like any of them? Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.